brother.
Dude, hell yes. Oh, that guy's going out.
I'm just gonna let them go first. I guess everyone's doing a cool down lap.
Yeah.
We're done. 10 laps.
Dude, that's crazy.
133. I'm surprised.
Dude, that's nuts, bro. Good
I did
shit.
a 128 in the Mustang.
What?
But I had a fucking bunch of issues with the power steering and shit.
Yeah.
And I think my control arms were bad, so.
Dude, this thing was fucking nuts, man.
I know, dude.
Dude, I did not expect this at all.
I know.
I was pretty nervous.
Our coolant temps at normal.
Yeah, I know. I was looking the whole time. I was like, this bitch ain't even overheating.
Still have a full tank. I'm telling you, man. We're pioneering the new way.
Dude, I want to see these tires, bro.
Dude, they're probably fucking chopped.
Dude, they're so chopped.
That was great.
Wonder what do you know what the highest speed you got to?
I'm not sure yet. It'll show on there.
Okay. This is cool. I like this.
Yeah. Nice to wave at the station.
Dude, this is like my grandma used to have one of these, bro. I did not know this bitch could go on a track. This is crazy.
$1,000.
Literally. Wow.
Civic who? Buy a Fusion.
This was fucking fun, dude.
This is amazing.
This is awesome.
This was more fun than my Mustang here.
Yeah?
I mean, yeah. Because I'd have to let off there all the time. And they never waved the flag at us, so I'm fucking full throttle. I think we got like 75 maybe. Which is fucking slow as shit. But
yeah.
Whatever.
Still crazy.
That's wild. Brakes are definitely hot.
Yeah, you can feel it?
Yeah. Yeah! I love Kyle. He was my first instructor at Gingerman.
Yeah.
And he has that red S550.
Okay.
That thing is a fucking beast, dude.
Fuck yeah.
It's just going around.
Bro, that was crazy. Oh my god, dude, that was awesome.
I'm so happy.
Me too.
Dude,
this thing is crazy.
133.